Hi and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Mecca and today is just a quick video on my 18-month lock update. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys my hair, talk about what's changed, and just kind of voice over everything that 18 months has brought. Again, if you're new here, I established my locks on March 1st of 2020, so we're getting to 2 years soon and I'm super excited. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Stay tuned. Boom, here we go, period. So, as you may have known from earlier videos, I now have color treated Microlocs. And with that change, in complete transparency, I have noticed that my hair is a teeny bit more dry, but not in a concerning way. And what I've done to combat that is just kind of spraying with rose water as I normally would, but doing that maybe twice a day now, just to kind of combat that, and then also making sure that I'm drinking enough water and things like that, because it does start internally. And then I have noticed, because I dyed it, I'm not having as much issues with like lint. And I also have experimented with adding in a bit of different products this go around. So I have, incorporated a little bit of castor oil into my routine. So, I still have these problem edges that I'm dealing with and some thinning happening. So I'll sometimes go ahead and put some castor oil in those areas, just to kind of try to help thicken that up. Other than that, other updates, I am still doing the 3-point rotation. My parts have kind of suffered just a little bit. I don't know what I've been doing wrong, or if it's just things you notice as you're in your hair so frequently. But the front is just a little bit kind of off. They're not really straight like that anymore, but it's not a big deal because, one, because I have so many layers, my hair doesn't get that scalpy anymore. And two, like, I don't really wear a lot of like cornrows or anything where you would need to see perfect parts. So I grapple with it sometimes, but I don't think it's a huge deal. And as far as washing, I'm still at about once a week. My retie schedule is closer to 6 weeks still. I've just kind of rotated like where I start. So I'll either start in like the back right corner and then knock out the whole right side of my head, or alternate between starting in the back completely and then doing the top half. And then I do try to like start at the front if I notice, like I said, that some of that thinning is getting bad again and stuff like that. So that has been kind of the major updates. I did record this a couple months ago, so if I missed something, it's just because of time. But I hope you all enjoyed this. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what changes you saw, what stage you're at in your lock journey, and any tips or suggestions are always appreciated. So again, thank you guys so much. Again, my name is Mecca, and please subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.